Good morning, followers, friends, family. Dr. Jimmy Henderson's tips again. Today I'm going to talk about midlife crisis or existential crisis, which is basically the same thing, just happens at different times. Midlife crisis normally happens in your 40s, where existential crisis, where you start thinking about your mortality, actually happens more in old age. What actually happens is you start reviewing your life for some reason or other, and you start to think or believe that you haven't achieved what you wanted to achieve. You're not sure whether you're on the right path, or did you take the right path, and you start having these doubts about yourself, and you're not really sure what you want from life. You begin to doubt yourself and wonder what you really are and what you really want. Often these are related to material things like money, business success, and often these people, often it's not related to spiritual matters at all. What happens is that these feelings start to accumulate. It's almost like a cycle in your life, and they start to accumulate at these times, and it causes inner tensions, confusion, a lot of frustration, and even anger. And you can even begin to think of yourself as a victim, and then you tend to blame others. It's natural that you can't. It's difficult to process that you have made mistakes along the way, and therefore you look to blame, put the blame somewhere else, and you could even blame your parents for your situation, your feelings, or your lack of success. So, what is the solution to this? The solution is that you need to do some deeper introspection and deeper self-examination, and ask yourself what you really want for life and what you really wanted from life. Have you achieved what you really wanted to achieve, or are you measuring everything in terms of money and, as I say, business success? But you need to look objectively at the situation and be honest with yourself, and try to then let go of the past. I mean, we've all made mistakes in the past. We've all possibly taken wrong turns here and there, and we have to accept it, and we need to correct it. So this is a time in your life when you have the opportunity to correct yourself, correct your path. In fact, this is a time when you could look for the underlying meaning in your life. And this could involve a spiritual revelation. In other words, realizing that there's far more to life than just material things, and that maybe you need to look into a higher reality to find the hidden meaning. So the whole crisis goes over trying to find meaning and purpose, and an evaluation, during a self-evaluation. And as I said, it can be quite a traumatic time. I do have two books that could help you in this regard. The first one is Understanding Reality, which will show you how life actually works in the world, and then you can come to understand where you might have gone wrong, or accept certain realities in life. The other one I can help you with is The Power of Authenticity, which will then help you to become whole again. It gives you exercises and self-examination, and you can then possibly find meaning and purpose in what you've achieved and what you want to do with the rest of your life. I thank you, and I will give the links to these books at the end of the session. Thank you.